UHC migomo ya aruti wĩra matiganĩte kaunti-inĩ mathire marĩa menamo ma KEMSA na ma NHIF hamwe na gĩthomo kĩa natharĩ na rĩu reke tũthikĩrĩrie marĩa kanjũ ĩyo ĩrarĩrĩria thĩinĩ wa mũcemanio ũcio wao.
I am pleased to deliver the 12th State of Devolution Address, SODA. This address comes as we enter the last financial year of the third cycle of devolution. 13 years after the inception of the pioneer county governments provides an opportune moment for us to candidly reflect on the impacts the devolved system of governance has had on service delivery and socio-economic development. This address will focus on the strides that devolved sectors have made in the financial year 2025-2026. It will also highlight challenges that devolution continues to experience while proposing practical recommendations capable of strengthening devolved governments in the next phase. On behalf of the county governments, I now highlight the progress made in the last financial year. Dear Kenyans, in the agriculture and livestock sector, according to the Economic Survey 2026, the sector's contribution to gross domestic product GDP increased from 24.5 in 2024 to 23, increased from 22.4 in 2024 to 23.2 in 2025, while the value of agricultural output rose from Kenya shillings 3.64 trillion to Kenya shillings 4.07 trillion. Agriculture, as you all know, is a fully devolved function. Through consistent investments by every county government, growth was driven by strong performance across several agricultural value chains, although some subsectors continue to face structural challenges. Horticulture retained its position as Kenya's leading agricultural export, generating 216.5 billion in earnings, up from 203.6 billion in 2024. Coffee recorded remarkable growth, with export earnings increasing from Kenya shillings 38.4 billion to Kenya shillings 52.1 billion due to favorable global prices. Tea remained one of Kenya's largest foreign exchange earners, contributing 187.1 billion despite lower production volumes. Food crop production also improved, with paddy rice output increasing from 169,300 tons to 180,100 tons, and maize deliveries rising slightly to 178,000 tons, supporting national food security. Milk production exceeded 1 billion litres, rising from 909 million litres in 2024 to 1.01 billion litres in 2025, supported by improved rainfall and enhanced pasture and water availability. Cotton production also rebounded significantly, increasing from 6,200 tons to 8,800 tons, contributing to the revival of the textile and apparel industry. However, wheat deliveries declined from 294,300 tons to 240,600 tons, while sugarcane deliveries fell sharply from 9.4 million tons to 7.1 million tons, highlighting continued dependence on imports and the need for greater investment in productivity, processing infrastructure, and farmer support. All reporting counties implemented animal vaccination programs reaching approximately 4.17 million animals and strengthening disease control, livestock productivity, and household resilience, particularly in pastoral and mixed farming areas. Artificial insemination services were implemented by a majority of the counties, recording 59,594 inseminations, while many also procured semen to support genetic improvement programs. Fertilizer procurement reached 272,816 bags, which were repackaged and distributed to more than 305,000 farmers. Many counties distributed maize seeds, avocado seedlings, coffee seedlings, and fingerlings, reflecting increasing diversification towards commercial agriculture, aquaculture, and income-generating value chains.
Na mwiroreri kiu ni kiungano kia Mangabana aria thutha wa mucemanio wao maratamiriria maundu matiganite